Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Ahmad and I am your English teacher. Welcome to this channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the next part of speech, which is verb. So let's begin. In English grammar, a verb is a word or group of words that expresses an action, occurrence, or state of being. Verbs are one of the most important parts of speech because they convey the main action or idea of a sentence. There are main four types of verbs, which are action verbs, linking verbs, helping verbs, and modal verbs. So let's understand them one by one. First of all, we see the first type of verbs, which is action verbs. These are the verbs that show an action or activity that is being performed by the subject. For example, it includes run, jump, dance, sing, play, write, cook, eat, etc. These are all the action verbs. Any activity which is being performed is called an action verbs. For example, he runs every morning. She danced gracefully. The children are playing in the park. And let's say, I am writing a letter to my friend. So, in these sentences, all the verbs which are used are action verbs. So, let's proceed to the second type of verbs, which is linking verbs. These verbs are used to link the subject of the sentence to a noun, adjective, or pronoun that describes or identifies it. It includes is, am, are, was, were, seem, appear, become, and so on. The third type of verbs, which is helping verbs. These verbs are used to help the main verb in a sentence and indicate tense or mood. For example, can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must. We can say that I can swim. She should study more. He would have been there if he could. So in these sentences, the verbs which are used, they all are helping verbs. And let's proceed to the last and fourth type of verbs, which is modal verbs. These verbs express a range of moods, attitudes, and abilities. For example, she can speak Spanish fluently. You should apologize to her. He must be tired after a long day. We might go to the beach this weekend. These are all the modal verbs. Verbs are important parts of speech that are used to convey actions or state of beings in a sentence. By understanding the different types of verbs and their functions, you can enhance your writing and communication skills. So this is all about verbs. In today's video, we discussed about the basic concept of verbs and its four types. So it's enough for today's video. In our next upcoming video, we will discuss the next part of speech, which is adjective. Till then, you can practice these lessons day by day and enhance your writing and communication skill. I hope you liked the video and enjoyed it and learned from it. So we will meet soon inshallah in our next video. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.